Okay.
Oh.
Beautiful. Okay, go ahead and lie on your back. Oh, hey. Like, how did this happen? You were doing really well, and then was there a specific movement, or did you wake up?
Just all of a sudden, I don't know what happened. I don't know what I did wrong.
Did you wake up that way?
Maybe. I know I felt it a little bit in the morning, but
Mm-hmm.
throughout the day, it started getting worse and worse.
Felt it in the morning, not a particular movement, just kept getting worse, not a particular movement.
Right.
Okay, throughout the workday, right?
Yeah.
So you're mostly on your feet?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yes, yeah. Mostly on my feet.
What did you do the day before?
Nothing really, same thing, just work. I
You didn't
felt...
fall asleep on the couch or anything, did you?
No.
Okay.
No, I don't know.
Okay. Let's go ahead and do a couple range of motion tests first. So you can just tell me which activities hurt it more.
Okay.
Because no specific activity initiated it. Right now, the pain, when it's at its worst, think of like whatever you did through your day, what put it at its worst? Or what activity were you doing that brought it to its highest amount of pain?
Maybe lifting?
Mm-hmm. Bending forward lifting, or just bending?
I think bending is the most.
What does the pain intensity get to? Scale of 1 to 10. At its worst.
At its worst, 10.
It's a
sure.
10.
Yeah.
Tears to your eyes.
Yes.
Have you been shedding tears?
Yes.
Go ahead and lean back as far as you can. Stop as soon as you feel pain.
Okay. Right here.
Right there? Okay, so hold 10 degrees right now. Let's go ahead and bend forward as far as you can.
Right here.
Okay, that's not bad. It's not, I wouldn't go bragging about that, but that's definitely, we got a little movement going forward. So back actually seems worse there. When you bend forward, go ahead and do that again. What does that pain intensity get to right there?
Probably like a 6.
A 6, okay, and then let's go back again this way one more time. And then we'll be done, I promise. Go.
Okay. This one's more like a 7, 8.
Okay, that
That's
gets
worse.
up to the 8. Let's take a look. How did you sleep last night?
Hardly any. Kept tossing and turning, but couldn't stay on one spot.
Which side could you not sleep on?
On my right side.
So you're facing this way, right? Lying on your right side,
Right.
and that's when it hurt the most?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and go face down. Take your time. Okay. Did you work today?
No. I tried.
Wait, did you say you did work or you didn't work?
Yes.
It's okay. Back problems cloud other areas of our bodies as well. Okay. And there's your classic L5 rotation right there. Which side hurts more, the left side or the right side?
The left.
Okay. And I feel it compensating right up at L1. And there's a history there. Is that painful at all today?
Yes.
Which is more painful?
The top.
It is it?
Yes.
Was it painful there when you were doing your extension stuff and bending forward, or was it more painful down here?
On the bottom.
Okay, time out for 1 second, just to give you a quick background on Stephanie. She's actually had this injury before in the past, and we did a great job of rehabbing it. She'd gone to a chiropractor before who did not take an x-ray of her back, and all of her pain usually comes right in this area. You can see how misaligned that L5 and L4 are. But what's happening is a lot of her pain comes from the compensation or an even more extreme misalignment, this L1. I call that area chiropractors no man's land because most chiropractors are not very good at setting this area straight. It's much easier working on this area, and so the chiropractor was focusing on this area, not getting her much results. So when we came in, well, we found this problem, we cleared it out, she did great. Unfortunately, these types of curvatures are not fully correctable, so it makes her more predisposed to having other flare-ups, which is why this particular flare-up came up. But in these situations, what you really need to focus on is one, adjusting for good mechanics, balancing for good stability, and lastly, strengthening so it holds well. So back to the video. Okay, let's check those mechanics. How's the pain intensity on that, if any?
No, none.
Okay, that's a really good sign. How about that side?
None.
And we can handle that okay?
Yes.
Okay. That could be a lot worse. That could be really jabbing at you right there. I don't see any reason not to get this adjusted right away. You okay with that?
Yes.
We start getting back on track. So there's some other areas we want to clear out that are off balance, that are becoming distorted because of it. The L1, L5, upper thoracics here. Just take a couple deep breaths there. Good. Deep breath. Okay, as I push there, does that feel better, same, or worse?
Better.
Okay. Okay, one other area. Okay, you doing okay?
Yes.
Hot? Painful?
Yeah.
Yeah. Feel when I pulled air, that got tighter?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so better, same, or worse? It's okay.
A little better, but still.
Yeah, that one didn't change it too much. Plus, I was really digging on that one. All right, so I'm gonna need you to turn to that side that was really tough, the one that you're having a tough time sleeping on. So if you know, any issue there, just let me know, but let's lie on your right side, face me right over here. Okay. Good, we made it. It's all easy from here, okay? Right on that L1.
Oh.
Beautiful. Okay, go ahead and lie on your back, please. Okay, and just let that settle in, okay? Take a couple deep breaths there. Okay, go ahead and pull your tummy tight. Squeeze your knees tight together. Okay, that looks good. Okay, let's go ahead and line this side. Doing okay?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, now knee on that L5. Okay, doing good. Let's lie on your back and come to the top of the table there. A little bit higher. Okay, right there. That's good.
Yeah.
just take a couple deep breaths. Tough spot right there.
Yep.
Okay, definitely not equally as tough on that side, so let your head drop in my hands and relax your shoulders. Very good. Okay. Now push your head back against my hands. This was the one that seemed to make that T1, that upper shoulder, lower neck, was creating a lot of release on the low back. So, and just remember that like through your work day, you know, as the back, you feel like anything starting to flare up or be out of alignment, it's not just your low back we have to take into consideration, but the neck positioning, the shoulder positioning. Okay, we got one more. You ready?
Yep.
I'm gonna have you sit up. Hey, that was pretty good. That was good. Put your feet flat down here. And we're gonna push that L1 straight forward. Okay. Interlace your fingers behind your neck. Okay, and you're gonna curl it down this way. And go ahead and lie down. I got you. Very nice. How'd that one feel?
Good.
Yeah, that was a really good release there. Okay, go ahead and stand up. I'm gonna have you march about a little bit. Just kind of shake it out slowly at your pace. Knees up maybe a little bit. Okay, hopefully get a much better good night's sleep tonight, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead and go face down again. Okay, first just want to check this one. That's okay?
Yes.
Okay. All right, go ahead and turn to your side again towards the wall, away from me. The other direction. Sorry. Go ahead and stay right there. Okay, just take a deep breath there. You got this. We're just releasing a lot of the trigger point involved there. Okay. All right?
Yeah.
Go ahead and use your hands to push yourself up again. Have a seat. So you're gonna drop your legs. Try not to use your tummy muscles. And then let's stand up. Let's walk around just in a little circle right here. Okay. Smiling helps it heal a little faster too.
Yeah.
Everybody laughs when I say it. It's true. It's true. Okay. So what I want you to do is just very slowly, as your body is trying to acclimate to those changes, let's go ahead and bend forward as far as you can. Careful coming up. Go ahead and sit up. Remember, it's nothing strong right now. So, how'd that feel?
Better.
That was really good.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Okay, let's lean back as far as you can. And stop right there. Okay, I see it in your face. All right. That's good. 10 degrees to 20 degrees. We'll double it, but we're not going to go bragging about that yet, okay? So what I want to do with you now is start working on some of the balancing and mobilization of those core muscles, okay? So come on over here. Go ahead and have a seat right here. Just be careful when you sit down. Okay. So let's pull that tummy in tight and start to activate those muscles again to protect the disc that we've irritated. We're just going to swivel the hips side to side. We want to isolate this area, forcing the core muscles of your hips and low back to do all the work. And keep your chin up, because today we learned that when we take pressure off this area, your low back starts feeling better. That's a really important thing for day in and day out stuff. So I'm doing some wobbles with you. I like them too, so. We're gonna go ahead and go forward and backwards, and let's just keep an eye on it, nice and slow. Oh, hey.
I was scared for a little bit.
I was scared a little too. Not as scared as you were though, I think, because that is doing pretty good. It's a little, you can see it's a little jumpy. It's not as smooth as it was side to side, but that's because those core muscles are trying to do their job that they're kind of not doing such a good job doing right now. So this will help create better balance in the discs and joints and postural muscles of the low back. It's not going to get you a six-pack though, but it will improve the core muscles that help support your back. Okay? Let's do this for just another maybe like 30 seconds to a minute. I can see it really starting to smoothen out. Do you feel that as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Easier.
Oh, thank God, right? Gosh, we gotta work tomorrow. You are working tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Full day?
Yep.
Okay. Did you work today or no?
Yes.
Okay. I just wanted to ask you a third time just to see if I got a different answer, that's all. It was a half day though today, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what it was. Okay, let's go ahead and stand up again. Let's talk about a little strengthening stuff now, okay? So the right strengthening exercise right now can really speed this up. You're better aligned, you're better moving, you're better balanced, but your strength is atrocious. That's what got us here in the first place, right? So let's go ahead and go face down. Let's see if we can. Look at you, just practically jumped on that table. I mean, you were like so cautious last time. This is great. This is awesome. Okay, now, do not engage your hamstrings. Keep them relaxed, but lift your head up into the air. Okay, don't use these. Feel these muscles, but not these ones, okay? So go ahead and lift your head up. Feel these muscles starting to engage. There you go. I feel the right, I don't feel the left. Literally try to focus as you lift your head up, engaging this area more. Can you do that without pain?
Yes.
Okay, so we want to hold that for a minimum of 10 seconds. So let's try that again. Okay, good. The other reason why I really like this exercise for you right now is it's going to help reinforce that disc going forward. So reinforcing the adjustment, so it's going to make that back bend a lot easier, okay?
Okay.
And relax. We're gonna do just 3 more of those. And we figured that one out pretty quickly, like the body received that really well. Just isolate these areas. We gotta focus on the guys that are not doing their job, which are up here. So let's try that a couple more times. Go ahead and lift up. So I'm keeping my hands here so you can feel them staying weak and isolating here, and try to bring your chest up a little bit more so it curls in. Stay away from pain though. We don't want the pain. We want to get just enough so that we can activate and protect the area without putting enough pressure on the disc that actually irritates it.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
And relax. That was definitely 10 seconds. Let's do 2 more. And you can pop right back up, but always focus. Start here and curl back so you're getting all these postural muscles. So start it with the neck. Lift up, then the upper back, working our way down into the lower back. Okay? Good? No problem? Try to go a little further each time, but right below that pain threshold. Okay, go ahead and relax. So nothing too complicated right now. I know we've, in the past, with this injury, we've gotten some more advanced stuff, but right now it's just about sparking some life, some strength into those postural muscles. Let's go ahead and bring it back one more time. This is relaxed. Try to get it way down into here. Good. 2, 1, and relax. Great job, Stephanie. Okay, let's carefully come on off the table. No quick movements right now, okay? Everything's in slow cadence. We like that left side better than the right side right now, right? Go ahead and stand up. Let's just see if we gained any more going back. So let's lean back as far as you can. Can we go any further? Look up to this guy.
Right here.
Right there. Okay, what is the pain intensity up to there?
Feel like a 5,
Okay.
6.
Go ahead and bring it back up. So at this point, if we're still getting that irritation, now we gotta ice. We gotta get some swelling down. And you do that tonight and you stay moving, I promise you this thing's gonna go to a 0, if not tomorrow, in the next couple days, because the mechanics are beautiful, the balance is looking good, the strength needs a little bit of work, but don't rush into that. Okay?
Okay.
All right. You're gonna do great.
Thank you.
Yep, my pleasure.